Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing gear and taking the first actionable steps right away. Power the lav, confirm battery and LED, and attach the correct adapter. This ensures signal compatibility. Next, clip the mic 6 to 8 inches from the mouth on clothing that won't rub, and route cable undergarments to avoid noise. Once done, run a quick sound check into your camera or recorder at conversation levels so you know your baseline and can immediately adjust gain. You now focus on precise execution, set input levels, and refine placement. With meters visible, speak at normal volume and increase mic gain until the loudest syllables approach but do not hit clipping. Make small placement changes. Half-inch shifts can affect tone, and use a foam windscreen to reduce plosives. Once done, secure the cable with tape or tie to prevent brushing noise, then record test phrases normal, loud, soft, and review peaks to finalize gain and placement before rolling. You finish by recording and verifying final audio, then perform one key troubleshooting tip if needed. Record a short clip and listen through headphones to confirm clarity, level, and absence of rubbing. If you hear noise, immediately check connectors, cable routing, and clothing contact. Adjust clip position and resecure cable. For wireless setups, ensure transmitter and receiver are matched and change channels if interference appears. Once levels and placement are stable, proceed to full take with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.